Now I want you to observe him. And क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो based on your observation? What do you observe?
From his body language, I can see that he's a bit shy.
Okay. Or
Good body language, लेकिन internally जो वो shyness है वो body में show नहीं, मेरी observation.
okay. Or
Very polite person.
okay. Or
Calm personality,
calm personality. Or
friendly.
okay.
Funny.
Little bit not.
Little bit naughty. Or
Usually he has some satire for his class.
or anything else? Yes. Yeah. Nervous? Okay.
I think it's a negative one.
Now, here's the thing. Whatever you have said, you may be right. You may be wrong. But this is not what I asked for. Whatever you have said is your interpretation, not observation. Okay? You interpreted based on how he looks. He's shy, he's nervous, he's naughty or whatever. These are your interpretations, not observations. Observation क्या है? He's standing with his hands folded, his fingers crossed between each other, पैर खुले हुए हैं, he's looking down, he's nodding his head. That's observation. In NLP, we speak on the basis of observation, not on the basis of interpretation. Do you get this? NLP starts with observation. Do you get this? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So when you now the first though, NLP के अंदर आगे जाके we talk about this. Like what we say is, if one person can do something, we can teach it to whoever wants to learn it. Now let's suppose this is a person who's an excellent public speaker. Okay, and I observe him and I interpret his physiology कि ये जो है ना बड़ा confident होके बड़ा relax होके खड़ा है. And I come to you and I say देखो तुम अच्छे public speaker बनना चाहते हो, relax होके खड़े हो. Right? Now relax, the word relax, what does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? What does that mean to you? It could mean different things to all different people. Do you get this? But if I say stand balance on both feet, okay, hold the fingers of your right hand or your left hand in your right hand, okay, breathe high in your chest, look straight towards your audience. Can you interpret this? Can you actually do this? Duplicate this? Do you understand this? Okay, we speak on the basis of observations, not interpretations. आम तौर से आपको लोग जो मिलेंगे, you will find that's what most people do. That's what we think naturally what happens to us. क्योंकि हमारी आदत एक बनी है. Somebody walks into our office, we look at that person and we say, we make a preconceived notion उसके बारे में, and then based on that we, it's like first okay, हमने सोचा ये बच्चा है जो है ना shy है जरा, ये जरा naughty है. अब मेरा सारा response, सारी communication because of this perception इसके साथ उसी के हिसाब से होगी. Do you understand? अगर first करो मैंने interpret किया, वो ये दाढ़ी है, ये तो खतरनाक बंदा है. Okay? अब मेरी सारी interpretation उस हिसाब से होगी. सारी communication उसके हिसाब से होगी. So I'm not actually speaking to the person in front of me in that case. I'm basically responding to the perceptions I hold about that person in that moment. Do you understand? And that's a big mistake in communication. Okay? And this person, his name is Adnan, he's a practitioner of NLP, he's one of my previous courses students. He will be here to he'll be repeating as well as helping me with some of these recordings for you especially, and since you're watching there on that screen, okay, Make sure you learn these things. Okay, and make sure your unconscious mind is here with me. And anything else, Adnan, you want to tell them about? You can do that later.
Okay. I go back there.
No, you go back there.
Hello, this is Dr. Richard Bandler, and if you're getting training in Pakistan, I want to recommend that you train with Kamran.